This is a condition that is given the beginning and the end with n that we have to do. So here I'm writing n, here I'm writing n. So if I want to observe how many letters that are there, so I will count this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 letters that we have, out of which 2 n that are at extreme points. So now we are having only 10 letters. Now we will have to arrange this one. So we will write it as equal to 10 factorial. But if you can see here, there are 3 t's, 1, 2 and 3. So we will divide it with 3 factorial, and there are 1 and 2 I is also there. So we will multiply it with 2 factorial, and also we are having 2 o. So we write 2 factorial. We can't take the value of n because n is already at extreme point. So we will write it as equal to 2 factorial, but since both are identical, so we have to divide it with 2 factorial. This one is the permutation of n factorial, and this is one is the proportion of this is the permutation of all the values that is given there. So we will get the answer something like this. 2 factorial cancels 2 factorial, and once you will solve this value, you will get the answer as per your question.